can make your own chocolate and make the chocolate look the way you like, but I still don't like the sweetness of white chocolate. 10 to 12 pp per group. Teach in English, teach using mold, give melt white plus starred plus milk chocolate 1 per class. Good and relax experience. Join a hands-on experience guided by a skilled chocolate maker, where you'll craft your own delectable treats. From personalized chocolate bars to artisanal lollipops, indulge your creativity and take home your delicious creations. Following the 1-hour workshop, delve into the captivating world of cocoa and chocolate at the Choco-Story Brussels Museum. Engage with an audio guide as you uncover the fascinating history of this beloved indulgence in an interactive and enjoyable manner. Delight your taste buds with chocolate tastings and witness a demonstration showcasing the artistry behind Belgium's renowned artisanal pralines. It's a journey of discovery and decadence you won't want to miss.